Hello, today I am going to talk to you about the Argos stock check issue. For Argos, we can only monitor the general delivery availability, since we don't know your buyer's postcode beforehand. They show the item as available for delivery when it is available for delivery in at least one postcode. So you might experience some cases when the item is going to be out of stock for a specific postcode. As an alternative, you can try finding the same item on Argos eBay store, which has no delivery restrictions. However, if you need help with a specific item, please send us the eBay item ID and we will look into it for you. Let me show you both scenarios. So, in this case, I want to buy this backpack. I enter the postcode and I click on check. So, this item is available for delivery to the postal code that the buyer has provided. On the other hand, I enter the same postcode for this other item. I click on check and I find out that this item is not available for delivery to this same postcode. So that's it. Hope that this has helped you. Once again, thank you very much for watching us. Don't forget to stay tuned by following us on social media and watching our YouTube channel. Have a nice day.